Hi folks, how are you doing? If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new, hello, it's been a while. That's right, I've not made any regular content for quite a while now. I did try and come back a little while back, but life's hard being a dad, a husband, and working a full-time job and trying to do videos. That's what I want to talk about today. It's my hobby. Hobby videos and just generally what I want to do with this channel. So, as I say, I'm Wayne. I'm a nerd. I enjoy doing this stuff. And even though I tried to do the whole YouTube thing for a little while, I fell into the trap of doing it for the wrong reasons. And listening to a whole gamut of other people, and I stopped enjoying it. And I took the opportunity of having my little lad to kind of really just step away from it, go back to basics of my hobby, and think about what I wanted to do. Now that was 18 months, 2 years ago, and I wanted to come back to do what I wanted to do in the first instance, which is basically make hobby videos about hobby. I have no ulterior motive to make this a career. I've already got a career that I'm very happy with, and I don't want to do the same videos that everybody else is doing. So what I'm 100% being real with you, what I'm not going to do is be making videos that appease the algorithm and following on what everybody else is doing. I'm not looking for sponsorships, I'm not looking for free stuff, any of that. If people want to send me things to look at, I'm more than happy to do that, but pretty much everything that I buy is with my own money. So if I do a review, it's because the product is something that I wanted and I genuinely will give you my honest opinion of it. Painting projects will be for my own armies, for the games that I'm playing, that sort of thing. Any techniques that I show will be the ones that I'm using myself, not just ones catering to whatever's popular at the time. I'm looking at you, Slapchop. And I'm very unlikely to be painting a Titan. I would love to paint a Titan, but I don't think there's any that I actually like. So I'm not going to bother. And I won't be doing any 24-hour painting challenges either because, yeah, kid and all, I am not going to be staying up for 24 hours painting little plastic miniatures. But that's the other thing. I'm not just going to be painting little plastic miniatures. My hobby encompasses way more than just Warhammer. I enjoy playing games as well, not just Games Workshop games. So you will see videos for other gaming systems perhaps, not Star Wars Legions because I'm really not interested, even though I do love Star Wars. Not Crisis Protocol, but you know, games in general. There may even be other types of hobby on there that I've got a vested interest in. Some custom painted Transformers. Transformers is a huge part of my hobby life, more so than Warhammer, you might say. In some respects, I mean, I have a number of Transformers tattoos, and well, I've got a massive Warhammer tattoo on my back, but that's by the by. So I'm not going to be focusing on just that. So if you want to unfollow, please feel free. If you want to follow me, please do. This is going to be authentic hobby content. I'm not going down that whole just following suit of everybody else. Yeah, I thought it was important to start kind of as a mean to go on. Hopefully, if you do subscribe to the channel, you'll see in the last couple of videos, and I've started to roll stuff out on a regular basis, but I'm not going to be sticking to an upload schedule. It'll be making a video as and when I've got something to say. Now, that being said, I do have a number of projects that I'm working on that I'm really keen to share with people. I would love to get people's feedback on that, be interactive with you, get your ideas, just find out how you think that I'm doing on those things. So it's mostly going to be centered around Warcry, Kill Team, and Age of Sigmar. I don't really play 40k. Well, I don't play 40k at all. I love the lore. I would love to do some videos talking about the lore. And I'd even like to do some interviews with other hobbyists, perhaps local folk, that have similar interests as me. Not famous people particularly, just normal, other, standard nerds. And that's it. That's really what I want to get out of this entire channel. I just want to be myself, not doing crazy stuff for views. And if I do tutorials, chances are that I'm going to be doing those tutorials to document the process for myself so that I can replicate those things later on. If I help somebody along the way, That's great. That is perfect. That's what community is all about. What I want you guys to do is treat this as a friendly local game store. The Forge should be somewhere where you can come and just see an authentic middle-aged hobbyist, regardless of what your age is, just doing the hobby, talking about the hobby, enjoying it and loving it for all of the reasons why we first got into this. It's a rich, diverse universe where everybody can find something that they like. Nobody's right, nobody's wrong. Let's not gatekeep or any of that crap. Just enjoy it, and that's what I'm going to do. And part of that is making videos about my hobby. So yeah, that's it. I just wanted to give you an update of where I've been, what I've been doing, and my plans going forward. So yeah, do subscribe if you want to not miss out on any of my new videos. Do interact with me down in the comments. Let people know if you like my content. And do say hello if you see me out and about. I'll be probably at the majority of larger shows this year, hopefully. We'll see how that goes, but I'll definitely be down at ChillCon in Derby. So do say hello if you see me down there. I would love to meet other hobbyists that have the same values as myself. Right, until then, got a video dropping, well, once for the next 2-3 weeks. It's not going to be more frequent than every 2 weeks. I may intersperse them with some hobby vlog updates of what I'm working on. Follow me over on Instagram if you want to see more of my work. Mostly showcases, but there is some behind the scenes stuff of what might be coming up. And yeah, I'll see you on the other side of the Forge. Thanks for sticking around if you had. I'll see you later. Cheers, guys.